Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Set isometric grid and snap. Isometric drawings simulate a 3D object from a particular viewpoint by aligning along three major axes. By setting the isometric snap or grid, you can easily align object along one of three isometric planes. However, although the isometric drawing appears to be 3D, but it is actually a 2D representation. Therefore, you cannot expect to extract 3D distances and areas, display objects from different viewpoints, or remove hidden lines automatically. If the snap angle is 0, the axes of the isometric planes are 30 degree, 90 degree and 150 degrees. Once you set the snap style to isometric, you can work on any of three planes, each with an associated pair of axes. Here we can see the how isometric plane is set. This angle is 30 degree, this is 90 and this angle is 150 degree. Left align snap and grid at along 90 and 150 degree, this and this. Top align snap and grid along 30 and 150 degree, and right align snap and grid along 30 and 90 degree axis. Choosing one of the three isometric planes causes ortho and the crosshairs to be aligned along the corresponding isometric axis. For example, when ortho is on, the points you specify align along the simulated plane you are drawing on. Therefore, you can draw the top plane, switch to the left plane to draw another side, and switch to the right plane to complete the drawing. To turn on isometric plane, click Tools menu, Drafting Settings. In the Drafting Settings dialog box, Snap and Grid tab. Under Snap type, select Isometric Snap. Click OK. To change to a different isometric plane quickly, press F5 or Ctrl+E to select a different isometric plane. The program cycles through the isoplane top, isoplane right and isoplane left settings. Draw isometric circles. If you are drawing on isometric planes, use an ellipse to represent a circle viewed from an oblique angle. The easiest way to draw an ellipse with the correct shape is to use the isocircle option of ellipse. The isocircle option is available only when the circle option of snap mode is set to isometric. Okay, we will see this in software. Here we can see the planes. From here, select any one of the isometric plane. I will select SW isometric, and here I will draw a box. Okay, this line is at 30 degree, this line is at 150 degree, and now I will draw a line at 90 degree. Okay, this is how the box is looking. In isometric. Okay.